Hi everyone, this is Sumay from Tulip here, and I'm here to walk you through our new Safety Cross application. The Safety Cross application acts as a great visual tool that allows you to track and analyze data regarding a certain metric on your manufacturing flow. You have the option to highlight a particular square for a particular day as green or red based on whether you were successful or unsuccessful in that metric. This is a great tool to identify further areas of improvement and scope out what is working well and where are potential areas to improve the manufacturing process. So jumping over to the app, what we see is that we first have an option to select an area. So I'm going to select area 1, and we have a square for each particular day of the month. And if I select day 1 and say that we are successful in tracking that particular metric, or we outperform the particular metric on day 1, I will choose to highlight it as green, and day 1 changes to green. Similarly, if I want to change day 4 to red, day 4 we failed to hit that particular target, and I change day 4 to red. So similarly, what we can do is that we can hit every single day as a green or a red to track our progress and see whether we have actually hit our targets. And this gives us a great visual tool in understanding on what days we were successful, on what days were we not as successful, and identifies great scope for improvement going forward in the manufacturing flow. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and thanks for following along, and thanks for watching.